Karangu wa muraya nĩendithĩirie gospel artist ũĩkaine ta Rachel wa ndeto kũhona kwa naihenya thutha wa mũtumia ũcio gwĩkora haceke thutha wa gũtharĩkĩrwo nĩ andũ matoĩkaine arĩa maramũitĩrĩirie petrol makĩenda kũmũcina na rĩu kũratuĩka akomete thibitarĩ-inĩ ũmwe mwena wa Nairobi. Karangu arandĩkire ũũ nenda-inĩ: My sister and gospel artist Rachel Wandeto, may Jehovah Rapha heal you. May those who poured acid on your body never know peace. That was so inhuman. Na rĩu kwĩ mashabiki magĩũkĩte comment section ta Rispa Empress nĩacangĩre akauga others are saying ni petrol but that is very bad aki. Quickest recovery woman. Tekra Wambui nĩacangĩre akauga quick recovery madam. Call your brother to intervene on the ground. Sio kuzuri. Protect watu wake. Nake J Njagi nĩacangĩre akauga I don't advocate for violence in everything you do to be prepared for repercussions. Pole sana. Onake Dan Kanda tigwĩtwo thutha nĩacangĩre akauga they were removing demon, not their wish bro. I'm not a DCI, but based on how she's dressed, it might not be something to do with the tattoo but love triangle. Nake Daniel nĩacangĩre akauga I am a CIA. I think about that photo rather than she's married. A gospel singer, Karangu singer in tattoo. Ruto anasema aje?